Hi students, good morning to everyone. Today we are going to learn smallest to biggest number and biggest to smallest number. Now all of you open page number 6. Page number 6 we have some problems in this page. That is ninth one. Observe the given set of numbers, write them in the boxes into two ways. One from the smallest to the biggest and the other from the biggest to the smallest. Here, given example, example 5, 3, 6, 4 and 11. Now we have read the number from smallest to biggest and from biggest to smallest. Next one, from smallest to biggest. Now from biggest to smallest. See, the given numbers are 5, 3, 6, 4, 11. We are right from smallest to biggest. In this given number, which is the smallest one? First one is 3. Next, 4. Next, 5. Next, 6. And the final number is 11. From smallest to biggest, 3, 4, 5, 6, 11. And the next topic is from biggest to smallest. Yeah, which is the biggest number from the given number 5, 3, 6, 4, 11. First one is 11. And next one is 6. After 6, 5. After 1, 4. And the final smallest number is, last one is 3. Yes, from biggest to smallest numbers are 11, 6, 5, 4, 3. This is an example of the page number 6. Now we are going to some problem, that is A, B, C, D. Same page number 6. Yes. Now, question A. The given numbers are 15, 3, 12, 16, 18. Yes. From smallest to biggest. Smallest to biggest. Yes, your given numbers are 15, 3, 12, 16, 5, 18. These are given numbers. Now we have to write that number from smallest to biggest. Now which is the smallest number? 3. Next, 5. Next, 12. Next, 15. Next, 16. And the final number is 18. This is called smallest to biggest. The numbers from smallest to biggest are 3, 5, 12, 15, 16 and 18. Now, biggest to smallest. Okay, students. From the given numbers, first biggest number is 18. Next, 16. Next, 15. Next, 12. Next, 5. And the final one is, the last one is 3. Biggest number, biggest to smallest from the given numbers 18, 16, 15, 12, 5, 3. Now, next we are going to B question. Question B. Given numbers are 6, 0, 8, 3, 5, and 2. Given numbers are 6, 0, 8, 3, 5, 2. Now, arrange the given numbers from smallest to biggest. Now, smallest number. First one is 0. After 0, 2. After 2, 3. After 3, 5. After 5, 6. And the final answer is 8. This is numbers from smallest to biggest. Numbers are 0, 2, 3, 5, 6, 8. Now, given numbers from biggest to smallest. Now, 0, 8, 3, 5, 2. Which is the biggest one? 8 is the biggest one. 8. Next one is 6. After 6, 5. After 5, 3. After 3, 2. And the final number is 0. Yes. Numbers from biggest to smallest are 8, 6, 5, 3, 2, 4. Okay, students? Now you will try some questions, that is page number 6 and D. See from the page number. Now, 10th question. Page number 6, 10th. Observe the given set of numbers. Write the smallest, biggest. Look at the example. Here, given example. By using this example, we will solve remaining problems. As students here, example, that is 10th one. Example. Given numbers are 4, 16, 10, 5. We write which is the biggest number and which is the smallest number from the given number. Biggest number, smallest number. Okay, students? The given numbers are 4, 16, 10, 5. Here, which is the biggest one? 4 or 16 or 10 or 5. 16 is the biggest number. 16. Which is the smallest one? The smallest number is 4. So this is like example from the textbook, page number 6. Now we will solve remaining 3 problems. 1, 2, 3. Hey students, now question number 1. Given numbers are 11, 18, 17, 9. Question number 2. 20, 10, 5, 15. Question number 3. 3, 7, 0, 9. Okay, students. Now, question number 1. Given numbers are 11, 18, 17, 10. From these 4 numbers, which is the bigger one? 18. Next, which is the smallest number? The smallest number is 9. Now, question number 2. The given numbers are 20, 10, 5, 15. From four numbers, 5. From the question, given numbers are 3, 7, 0, 9. These are 3, 7, 9 numbers from the given number. Now, page number 7. See page number 7 shows the boy the way to the building. Join the numbers in the correct answer, correct order. The numbers from 0 to 20. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 is there. As this is the building, the boy at number 0. Now we do our help to this boy how we go to building from 0 to 20. Okay, students, we have to do well for this boy from 0 to 20. How we reach building from 0 to 20. First number is 0 from 0 to 1. Next 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, and 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to 7, 7 to 8, after 8, 9, after 9, 10, after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Now 18, 19, 20. We reached building from 0 to 20 numbers. In the chapter, we learn numbers from 0 to 20. Okay, students, thank you for everyone. Tomorrow we are going to learn numbers from 10 to 99. That is tomorrow's class. Thank you.